Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour today. I'm doing a split composition on my canvas. This is a 40 by 40 canvas. Take no notice of the circle there. That was something that I started and didn't like. So anyway, that is my black navy. So it's a black that you add a phthalo blue and dark green, and it really makes a black, sort of a black navy. And it's the same as my normal paint mix, and the same with the white. It's spread in the white acrylic. So I'm going to have a split sort of black navy and white, and do a little jazzing up of my background before I go on to the next stage, where I will use my boom gel stains. Rightio, next stage I am putting some dribbles, you see, of the black on the white, and I will do the reverse with the white on the black. So I'm going to just create a bit of a different background on here. Just a quick whiz with the heat wand, just bursting any air bubbles, so it's all nice and ready for me to kind of, I'm going to use my little hairdryer again. I just love this little tool, favourite, to create a bit of a different background and soften it all up and add a point of difference, I guess. That black on that white is super gorgeous on its own. I just love it. Now I'm thinking I've got to do just a monochrome one with the black and white, because that looks gorgeous. For whatever reason, the white on the black wasn't looking as special to me at all, but you know, I just pushed on with it and seeing what we can do, because I will be adding some colour to all of it to change it all. But it was super fun. Just doing this as a background was very nice. It was very enjoyable. So my next thing I'm going to do is pour the puddle. I'm going to pour the puddles, as you see, in the center of this split composition. So it's just the white and black there, and now I will set about laying the different boom gel colors. And as you can see, the colors that I've used are written on the front of each boom gel that I'm going to show you. So this one's Mana Crab Blue, which is one of my favorites. So I'm just going to lay them up, I guess, like you would if you were doing a bloom effect. It's just the puddles, and I'll just go through each colour and lay my puddles. So what you've seen me add in the little container is just the paint with Floetrol only. So it's the Floetrol added to this mix that's going to get me some extra cells, I believe. Well, I'm not after cells, I'm after a nice lacy look. So to sort of something that's going to make that centre, you know, a lot more attractive. Again, another whiz over with the heat wand, and now I'll get my mini dryer, my mini blow dryer, so to see what I can blow out on this lovely background. I'm really happy about it. I really love the background to this, so let's hope we get some super duper effects. It is turning out a lot darker than I would have liked, but it's still a really nice piece that it's put a really nice point of interest for the eye to go to in this particular piece, and I'm really enjoying the actual process. It actually is quite nice. I'm going to bring you down in a second or two to have a look at this because I'm really happy with the results. Even though looking at it back on my camera now as it's playing, it doesn't seem very defined, but it actually is really nice with those colours. It's just adding. As I do say before, I use my balloon as my tool instead of using a spatula or a brush in there. I'm using the balloon as my tool. So it's each to your own, whatever tool you want to use to bring your art to whatever point you choose it to be. Then no rules. Remember, the only rule is there's no rules. So you do what you feel is what you feel you want to do, and getting you the best results. So I actually do love this one, and I've got a lovely frame for it in either a black frame or a white, which hopefully I'll be able to show you guys. But it's gorgeous and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okie doke, I'm just finishing off the sides of my canvas, just finger popping the sides, so I'll get sort of the paint covered on the side and then I'll leave it to dry. Super duper happy with that. Super happy with this. I know it is not a traditional bloomy bloom, but the colours with the black and white and their background they just look great, and even I'm getting a lot of reflection. Just a bit of balloon kissing to soften up areas. I always believe in my art, it's what I love to do, and it just looks gorgeous. Oh, it looks like I've got an alligator head there. So amazing, the different things that you see in each creation you do. Just gives me great joy, and I hope that if you're into your art, whether it be painting with a brush or whatever, it's just meant to give you joy, first and foremost. I think I've got like a little chicken there, or a budgerigar. So many different things, but you know, it's not overly crowded with cells, but it's got some lovely lacing, and it's just got some really gorgeous effects. So hopefully that dries beautifully, and hopefully you enjoyed coming on this little journey with me. Until tomorrow, my lovelies, please take care and join me tomorrow. Bye for now.